lawyer. Obey this lawyer. Mebo abo e 1 year wo hu.
Okay.
Because ultimately mo be good training. A percentage ni ye low. Say obi be benefit from you. Obenya good impartation we betray you. Unless it didn't go the way it should go.
Too much ashafo mema obibia akwaba mosomfo ekua sikapa nenen so menemu edi ehie yi Ghana wahala dwumadie na ebre asose yede besom ashafo ene eye adofonom na mo amonim se ensem no de yeje ejase ya na chese ya bone bede ye be pensemu ni ape ensem ni nyina ne pomasibre na ene deyi Bishop Daniel Obinim, founder and leader of International Gospel Church wababo ntina na ensem odi to dwe nyina eye se said de hu no enya sa na ti o woni Dem0ns ankasa na chese eye adwuma na ebusuafo ensem ne de emu kiremu de se buburuja mi twam ho aba na me ba me de baba ababa som ebusuafo mesanso emamo akwaba stronko ebiemo eye Bishop Daniel Obinim ne komo twetwea na chese ye de ebe hihye so na wo hwe oba ho ofefo otimi nsani fa so de aminim se munim no Miss Mexica wagina adwa se nso so de na chese wa ye krado e de ama ensemfo bia ebeba oba Messi no akwaba
meje oso
bibia boko de
ya me adom
ade asi
de bia na wa ye shepe
so mission o yo oba Messi yanko yansem no eso ene day Bishop Daniel Obinim ode ababa betu ejase se ti a wote aya na asori a jase wo asafo mane junior pastors wo holum so wonim se Dem0ns pa na wone wo mo eye adwuma na nsem o kan ye de na betimi aka fa ho
ni aba me da wase michia too much me na makonya yeso echi obi bia o hwe yen nyame onhira mo me ni aba me papa ya sem yo okay die se no sika ni die na obi mama ye disappointed woni mu pa
aden
because unim say ye neni mu say papa wani
yeah
ohun mo nsem enti ebe da na woni Dem0ns te na sa eni awuwe ya wutimi etu wa udane angel ekwamanfo daye mu
utimi nyankopon kra ho
bia what must say na no incident si wo circle ya
last year
for ja wo se udane ye koyi wo members too si wo efri ejani na woni Dem0ns tia se enye se hu se Dem0ns wo na timi je hu ni o masa ya wanwa dia sa na se timi hu nkrofo masarande o na ebe de no bi hu Dem0ns se metie me no tie ye ni eni a ye hu ne ekoso wo hu mu
okay
metie me ye baifo a me hu obi o ye baifo before metimi akase we ye baifo na me akasa me mumi wani enti se ye papa kase efianse won se Dem0ns ana chere se ni tumi ni nechi no na ni wo timi di kon ni nechi wentimi ehu nkrofo ma surround o na ene na wo hu ene ni ben na wo di hu ye se Dem0ns ena wo ni omo eti asori wo ye bra hu na mu
okay
As a leader, you have to weigh the people. And a leadership by example. And to say who a leader, you have to know the people you are bringing up.
okay
And then I say you were working with Dem0ns. That means you didn't know the people you were leading. If you were leading a good, like who lead you with good, important things, and your good influence, positive, I'm not sure say they will be able to you today. Yes. Adentina me identity ebe mobi. Na minimum say me man in conform me a genuine. Me man conform entity ye papa. Why no besia at the papa wa unche obey disloyal to you?
okay
why no betua wanamo den no hu ya otu anamo se me ba besua wanamo den no hu ya otu anamo se me bedi wachi obi wo wa ohun bibi papa ena oye na from afar. How you see close is different from how you see from afar.
Yeah.
Oh baby beti mama fanfa. O beti mi won baby a why makeup shepe any o be free say. O free heaven see sorry to say see ye any. O bebe no. No one say the created monkey. One with different person.
Yeah.
Eh the same thing with life. Onipa na ba wase na wa ben wawie no. Se obeye lawyer, obeye disloyal. Mebo abo ewon ya wo hu.
Okay.
Because ultimately mo obi good training, a percentage ni ye low. Say obi be benefit from you. Obenya good impartation we betray you. Unless it didn't go the way it should go. In conforming ba wona no, maybe gradually I'm be disappointed.
How? Disappointed?
I'm trying to figure out why demons were surrounding him that
and then I'm
you didn't know. Yeah, well, normal life as those incidents happen.
Okay.
And no. And I walk lead down no or yeah so for nimpoa. All titim go for one and answer. Beginning ubenye ni asakyo.
Because on say sorry I mean chawa no sorry den ya wo hunu ana we honhom boni won mutim tutuma no be ba na say na one junior pastors the way to me hunu till now.
Exactly. That means leader na nkasa no was pretending.
Okay.
And the subordinates were also pretending.
Okay.
None of them were loyal to each other. Entina abanesano. Mesha wasina won treating me here. I will not regret bringing you down.
Okay.
I saw something positive. I drove closer. Later, me realized it said, oh, this is not what I saw. From afar, it was good. But see, I mean, say, oh yeah, you maybe and my brother and father, this is not what I was coming for. And I want to walk away. Also, when say, hey, Pia, me who detail of your
everything.
So that's when the war started. Intokwane started.
Okay.
Against the started. So Obia be pray for the rights. So if you are not a genuine person, you are not real, you will not have people who are real around you.
Okay.
Simple as that. A principle. Say, who a good person? A few now be attracted be disloyal to you.
Okay.
But say, who ye obia, you are not real yourself. Life is a karma. It goes, what goes around comes around.
Yeah.
Simple as that. Ain't the fact that you are not real. Don't think you attract real people around you.
Okay.
Real people to me around you. They can connect to you. If you are not and living life being Jane said, ube living negative way and positive things will come to you. It's not possible.
Not just say yeah bishop dan Obinim no meti wasi ya na nam say ne nkwada ne demon does it mean say won no so there na wo ye na it wasn't right and into when ya those people
A general thing I make can say that such is life.
Okay.
What you sow
is what you reap.
Yen share papa dankam. Shen krofo a wa brought your mo up. There was a program and the Baba could free UK buyer. He speaks like the unshame was just upon him. He speaks like dankam. I'm telling you, I was surprised. I was like, this is impartation. Hard work.
Okay.
Leader, you have to weigh them. You have to one not spoil the words into leader. One man where escape you are then one kasa will leader no na when you kasa and shut down
seem to be
and that
because beginning or actions speak louder. Enti se obi wa na so be betray wa, you will fish the person out. Yes. Enti nka wa ye de. And such people will not get more to talk about you nka issue we buy no. Because enye omo na offend you. Omo na wa offend you.
Yeah.
Wo. Enti na we yi omo free mo. Dan kam ye papa dan kam. Ye won krofo a oyi omo free ne mbemu.
Yeah.
Enti onu say no, how many of them na they came out
yeah.
to
my sister obi any hon mo oba obeba be kan ho asem because ohun na we you
the unction will speak for Bishop Duncan William. Sister, why na wo eja not the name only say my spiritual father, he's with unction, the unction of God, a genuine power of God. You've experienced, you've had an encounter with him, and you go back to betray him. One kasa woman, do you think? Okay. So, a very hard, a very difficult to betray a genuine man of God, or to betray your father, whom you know he's a good father.
Okay.
Simple. And look at this. Unim say yawo emba aswodin wo ho, but they are few. Okay. Normally they say the black sheep in the family. Enti uwomba bebra ye den ya aswodin na because aswodin for you have to be picky. You will pick out as no one how to handle such a person. Enti they are genuine pastors almost so go through almost endure all this thing, almost go through such incidents aye papa you come but all those genuine at times say free mbofra aswodin eno 2%.
Okay.
And they betray disloyal to their father. Now obi bia o hwe me a wo ye sofo ketwa e wo ho me nka se ni wo e wo ho but eye din say a sofo will come out this and like I go too far.
Okay.
That's what I mean.
Okay.
I go too far. If you answer one we say only demons na e wo na sorry them.
Okay, Obama si minchawa no Bishop Daniel Obinim modern sembi etu jo na chese or fa ne nkasa ye mu no wo ma ya tia say ni junior pastors no are the problems and I say misfortune cause one abrabom and they are the cause of it. Na one blame obia say one more one more enantie na nyame nipa se bibi enkoye ewo wabrabo mu na se bia na se bibi esisi wo wabrabo ma. Do you have to push blame on your junior pastors or those you work with?
That's the problem. That's where I have problem with him. And on me explaining today to the actual say ubomba ebi asoye diwo but no figure out early, so you sort them out into your genuine pastors, men of God omu go through all that say omo so for nketo no e betray later but no kra no bon say enye na asem abenti na oka but onu afri wona no ye ne opese wo ye eno wo ho but ebeye den say umbeni na media what must ebeye den say no sika say umbeni na ye demons wan ka say bimu which father are you? Enye mi o na say mo dey better which kind of father are you? Enti wa wo na umbeni na chese bibi akoso
enti wo say
ye say fie bia na chese bibi akoso because yefa ni se fie bi mu a obia enwu wo mu efie bi mu a yenware ewo mu efie bi mu a untimi ntu kwan da efie bi mu a wabrabo ntimi nsi wiye da bibi akoso yesi bibi eniwa esikwa
okay
enti ni esi bia bibi na akoso ntima saade ne yeden esi enti se wa wo mba na wo mba nyina hwibia bibi koso
enti eno ne sansa wa wo ma na o manyina hwibia e wo so wo le mo na na sa wo papa no
wan kasa because sa bibi no unwu ni ntamu break sa bibi na anka end result e say wo mba nyina besei no anka ensi
enti say
in the process when I won't say umbe crampo no they are not going the way they should go crampo that process now we figure out no you can change things fine enti nyame ni na me pa kire ne say asofo nketewa ne bitumi yesa all right, but difficult say umbeni na be disappointed o te say na all kan na asofo nketewa no so we nkoma mo se wo asofo bi ase na se wo se bebi asofo no all kon nye bebi a wo kwa immediately no free na say enkwa wo na say. So a real man of God, the unction of God will fight you. Share one brown was a bimunia brassi, I saw from Ketuano. And you say, oh, so for no be on your real. Now, oh, yeah, you may be now that brown once a dear man. And that's not what I'm saying. Yes, that's not what I'm saying. Or yeah, but then I would deny you follow no blindly. That's not what I'm saying. But when him said, this man is a genuine man, support his ministry. Share, if you want to be there, then you have to see yourself doing it for someone before you can be there. Say, when to me and yakwa, to me by your master. Ain't it so funky to an old brown once and all with the office ministry, no? Oh, sorry, and yame. Or was yes, you, rest where you were pie, or do be fejemu, or do be fensumu. Odo be fesum David kase se me nam sumu kebimpa mi nso because me ni nyame enti odo be fesum odo be fa baby bia just to train you say na u top one na you can stand in storm asochi bia bo abetumi agina enti no wona wo yo sofo nketo na mo share mo sofo penfo cha mo bra mo wanse na mo betray wo mo no you can never be at the top there.
Mercy.
Who person who untimi brown wase na wo be penny no one e be bre no wase ahya wase enti bibia o baby e start feel ene ni nsofo kitu e betray na yembusa se ono nso satam na o she obi ase no. How was he?
Mercy the ansem no eba na wie na say in conclusion no Bishop Daniel Obinim, she wasn't a good father. Obe training in May enunti na wetimi anya demons surrounding him as junior pastors. Sana me pese mi hu.
Minya ba masema make me kensi Obinim suo. Me kana wo sheme no.
Me tia se ba only issue and I nti ye conclude ye fancy me so.
Me tia wo say wo sheme no. Wa we discussion na ya ye no. Yes,
what one ashefo?
Ashefo ni etiefo. Wait, because what you do is the result. Every production there is a byproduct. If the byproduct is good, the end result is good. It's your input. So what did you put in? A good material or it's a bad material, it will give you a perfect result.
Okay.
Say judge for yourself. Obi bia wo hwe me. Enti ye papa no mo asofo no. Yemfa enidie ema won. Osi se wo obi se odonyankopon. Na nini oben no ondo na oyotrofo. Se wo na wo shot, wo yosofo ketwa na wo she. Osofo biasia, found brasia, or say I will exalt those who humble themselves, and I will humble those who exalt themselves. And this help say radi peja wa brown once baby a wo bia. And the pama asofo no so a ya fremo. Mo na mo kwan nim. Ma o say wona wagina wa kwa won hwe na wan hwe ase. Eye easy say obetimi amane because uye nipa. Uye wonam ni moja. Ente ye easy nemo. Osimu amoni ndawo se abo watch and pray. Na yen na mo kwan etene so na kwan kese de obi apese ofa so. Na won so a ya anointe won so. Wo be fa so bia na. Mu ne ye hwe mo anamo no eminim se eja eyensuo. Mu na emu pa na so ni na emu ose meka mo ma mo nsuo. Enti asofo mu ngina. Tetefo no manya ni izi omu femu ankasa. Nesu ni nemu nese nwane se Ewurade kan ho no no onja wechi di dodo be ko bebi ese ode wo ko. Mundi no krema mo ho, mundi no krema mo asafo, na mundi no krema oman Ghana.
Yo, Mercy ebeda wano asibebre. Abusiafo enkomotwetwe ekọ so. Wonso wadwenchefa ehun anything. Fabra ewo tuma GH comment section. Dem0ns so like a video, share for my abusiafo ne adofonom ewo all the social media platform. o akwadwa no nso se o follow yen we IG page @tumagh_. Me adoma no so se de nya upload video bia won so wetimi enya notification me amede dwumade ho chia me medin ene akua sikapa me ne miss mesika ene ne de ye twetwen enkomo ye de si ha da se ne ye besa ne hia